How to use promo codes on Uber Eats. Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we will be guiding you through the process step by step. So let's just get started. First of all, you may just go ahead and access your Uber Eats application or the website. And once you are logged in, you should be finding this particular interface on your screen. Now, what you may do is you may just go ahead and add the product to your cart. And once you have added it, you can just head over the cart option at the top right corner of your screen from your home page. Tap on it, and you'll be finding all of the products that you have added onto your cart. So you can look out for the option called View Basket. Tap on it, and there it will show you the particular product that you've added to cart. Now you may head over to the process of checking out. For that, once you've added the product, look out for the option called Continue and head over to the another section. Now, once you're headed to it, you can just head over and look out for payment option. So you need to add up a payment options, any of the payment options available here. And once the payment option is added here, you should also find a section called vouchers where you can add voucher codes or promo code. You can tap on it and you can just go ahead and enter up the code in order to claim and use your voucher or the promo codes. Just go ahead and enter it up here and tap on continue and do so. Otherwise, you may also look out for the option called promotions or something like that, which should be shown like this on your screen. So you can look out for the promotion section, tap on it, and once you do so, you can select up your available promotions, your promo cards that you have, and you can just go ahead and apply it before placing your order. Select it and then tap on next and continue checking out, and that is it. That is how you use your promo codes on your Uber Eats. So that's it for today's video. I hope this information was helpful to you. Don't forget to give it a like and subscribe for more tips and tutorials.